our 24-inch 4-burner oven range. First off, the overall dimensions. Left to right, we have a length of 24 inches. Depth to the front to the back of the splash, we have 32.5 inches. And the overall height, we have 60 inches tall. Height minus the splash from the bottom to the top of the burners, we have 36 3/4 inches. 4 separate burners, each one measuring 11 3/4 inches in length by 11.5 inches in depth. Burners can be removed for cleaning. Coming to the front will be the knobs for operation to control each of the 4 burners. Also included will be the pamphlet along with the propane conversion kit. And again, this oven range is for natural gas but can be converted for propane use. Coming on the inside will be 2 shelves, with each shelf measuring 24.5 inches in depth by at least 20 inches in length. Overall height for internal storage, we have at least 14 inches tall. Coming to the bottom right corner will be the ETL certification along with the gas information. Coming to the back, twisting off the rubber cap, will be the black pipe for gas connection. Beneath the knobs will also be the waste tray, with the waste tray measuring 19.5 inches in length by 26.5 inches in depth. The waste tray can be removed and inserted back into the range. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.